Guys, I've set a 30-minute timer. This is the design I'm working on. This channel called 3 blue 1 brown. I finally decorated my laptop. This is the architecture we're planning on. Oh my god, guys. Okay. I did it. Oh my god, don't see. So cute. From recreates to reciprocate.u. Okay, as you can see, we have done 7 workshops in the past. It's called Rewind AI. It's gonna happen on 1st August at 3 p.m. and it's like a theater. I just love this UI. I just woke up and I freshened up, and now I'm gonna make some protein milk.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor.
Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is make a to-do list. Okay, so firstly I have to work on the workshop. Okay, because we have decided on RAG 2.0, and after like talking to you guys, we also have decided for 2 days, which is like we want to cover in depth and make sure that you'll be able to build your own RAG by the end of the day, like after the workshop. So we want to take it from 3 hours to 6 to 7 hours on the span of 2 days. That's weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So we're planning to do that. Today we have to host the workshop at any cost. So yeah, I have to host the workshop today. And thirdly, I have to plan content. Okay, and then I have to revise on some topic related to AI. So yeah, this is my to-do list. First is the workshop. Let's work on the workshop. I'm gonna schedule a meeting right now and we'll start the work. Okay guys, I also wanted to know that which AI assistant you guys use most often. Like, is it Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok? So which one do you guys use? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, I've set a 30-minute time. Right now I'm working on the poster for the workshop. Like, this is the design I'm working on. So let's see. I'll make it pretty, I'll make it engaging, I'll make it clear about what all project we'll be doing and stuff. This is the architecture we're planning on. You can see here. So there are still small changes pending. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna make the poster and I'm gonna make the workshop live. Okay, so firstly, I'll show you what is on my screen. Here I have Claude. So on this monitor, I have this channel called 3 blue 1 brown. I mean, I found this channel so interesting and I understand much better whenever I watch their videos. So I'm gonna like use this channel today. Also guys, I have a huge update on my work, on a lot of things actually, but I don't know if I can tell them this soon, so I'm not gonna see it in this video, but soon enough, I hope. So be on the lookout. Also guys, I'll show you one thing. I finally decorated my laptop. Like, these stickers are so cute. Like, I love them. But I have my iPad, which is a bit lonely with just one sticker. So I just wanted to, like, you know, decorate this. And the vibe I'm going for is full on Y2K. So I got these stickers. They are so cute. Like so cute. And definitely my vibe. So let's decorate. Let's get some inspo. I want to go for something like this. Let's see if we'll be able to do it. And also I want to decorate my one more phone case which I have. That's black phone case. This is so cute. XOXO. Okay, and then I really like this no. Whichever is there, no. So cute. All are so cute. I'm not able to decide. I think I'll go with the no for the laptop. Yeah, that looks so cute. So much better. Oh my god, guys. Okay. I did it. Oh my god, don't see. So, I'll show you guys one by one. Okay. First, let's go with the iPad. I've just stacked them over the columns. But in the back, I've tried to like stack everything like this, kind of a girl power or like it girl routine kind of a stuff. I really like how the phone cover turned out. Like, so pretty, like so pretty. Like this is a new cover I got recently. Okay, I've been using it, but this was my old cover. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like oh my god. It's so pretty. I love it. It says dream on little dreamer, and I am a dreamer, so I just love it. Songs to listen to when you are in love. And there's something as love letter, and there is New York loves you. I actually wanted to do all of this like way beforehand, but I couldn't do it, didn't do it because I was lazy, I had work, I had to go everywhere. So this is the time, I guess. Just I've kept it just simple, you know, like so cute. I just added 1 2 3 4 4 and 5 6 7 8. I think 8 9 oh 10 stickers, and it looks so cute, by the way. Like oh my god. And you know what, like if it's visible, do it for the plot. Responsible adult. I think today was such an eventful day, by the way. I know like I have not kept you guys updated like since 1.5 months, and I want to give you guys a lot of updates. Okay, so like firstly, we have changed our whole pivot, like the name of the channel and name of everything, like everywhere, from recreates to reciprocate.u. Okay, firstly I wanted to do this from way long, but I just didn't do because our domain was there as recreates.com, so it was a little bit hard for us. I finally got time to like make it as reciprocate.u. I'll tell you why I love this reciprocate.u. What is the idea behind it? You are like such a sweetheart, okay? Give that self-love, self-importance, self-respect, and everything to yourself first. Yeah, I do a lot of tech content. I am involved with a lot of engineering students, but yeah, this is one side of me that actually wants to literally promote self-love to all of you. Obviously, I love you all. You guys support me a lot. So secondly, I want to talk about our WhatsApp channel. Okay, so WhatsApp channel is something we didn't think of in the starting to like make, but we eventually made it. Okay, this is our WhatsApp channel. It's again called reciprocate.u. It has around 700 people already, and we try to post internship opportunities, give you a heads up about okay, whatever is happening with us or our workshops or whatever like discounts we are giving, everything. Okay, other than that, third update I want to give you guys is about our workshops. Okay, and like this is such a moment that I get to talk about it because I always wanted to talk about it with you guys, share it with you guys, like what happens exactly. We just rip it up. Reciprocate.u. Sorry, it's not .u. It's reciprocateu.com. Okay, as you can see, we have done 7 workshops in the past. All of the 7 were a hit. There was our first workshop, there was our first ever like biggest workshop which had around I think 40 people in it, and I think that's such a blessing. Like you guys literally came in and you guys asked questions, you guys are willing to actually learn. I think that's such a honor for me to have you guys at our workshops. Okay guys, I just finished with the workshop and I told you guys it's called Rewind AI. It's gonna happen on 1st August at 3 p.m. And also, if you visit our website, there is a full description of day 1 and day 2. You can check it out. And we have a lot of things here, and this is our seating. It's like a theater. I just love this UI we came up with, and yeah, go and check it out. If you're interested, you can attend. Okay, so this was actually in demand by you guys itself, that you wanted a rag workshop. Actually got this very unique idea of building this project called Rewind AI, where you will know what will happen actually. Like we'll take lecture transcripts from actual videos, and then we'll actually create a rack pipeline where we'll actually chunk the data, store the data, and we'll be able to query the data to actually get an answer over anything related to that particular video's transcript. If you have understood this, it's fine. If you didn't understand, it's totally fine. You just need to know basic Python to attend this workshop. So there'll be no worries. We'll actually take from scratch, like from so only. This workshop is actually planned over 2 days so that you guys get time to breathe, time to take in all at once. If you guys want to know anything, please ask me in the comments. And if you want to know more about the workshop, you can check out reciprocateu.com. I think it's time to end the workshop, and I'm in the mood of workshop only. Okay, I think it's time to end the video, and I'll see you guys at the workshop.